I'm just hanging out here, just relaxing for a little bit, and I turn and crack my neck. And I think there's something about being 30 and cracking your neck and pausing for a second to make sure that you didn't just break your spine. Like, I just have a big fear of cracking my neck the wrong way and then just my whole spine breaking. Because, like, what, how, what is the science of cracking your bones? Air pockets? What else? There has to be something else. I don't get it. And that was just my little anxiety thought of the day. And I hope you feel validated and be careful cracking your neck.